In this video, I'll detail how to turn on show time on lock screen in Assistive Access on iPhone on our setting. So if you put your iPhone on Assistive Access mode or maintenance mode and you want to show time on the lock screen, this video is going to walk you through. So if you don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to show time on lock screen on Assistive Access mode on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and select accessibility. Then you want to scroll down until you get to Assistive Access. Click on that. Once you selected that, scroll down and locate show time on lock screen and make sure this is enabled. So if this is disabled, enable it. So with show time on lock screen enabled on your iPhone Assistive Access settings, this is going to show time on lock screen whenever your iPhone screen is locked while on Assistive Access. So this is how you can easily show time on lock screen on Assistive Access mode on iPhone on iOS 18. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.